So today we are swapping out these license plate bulbs with some LED units. So here's a little bit before, give you an idea how bright it is. Yeah, not too bad, but we should probably definitely see a big difference in the brightness when we're done. The thing I'm gonna do is just to give myself a little bit more working room. I'm just gonna open up the hatch. You can see the two license plate bulb holders that we have right here. All you're going to have to do is you're just going to reach into this little housing here, and you're just going to kind of pry up on the sides. You don't really need tools for this, and then you just kind of wiggle it, and then you get it off there, just like so. To hold this in, there's going to actually be two tabs right here that you can push in, and this housing you can kind of see when I push in. Well, I don't know if you can see on the camera here. When I push here, these two tabs that you see here, that's going to release this clear housing that covers the light. So I'm going to need two hands for this, but push on this and just pull this cover off. See, this cover is off, the one that I pulled off, just with the tabs, and there is your bulb that's exposed. You're just going to grab onto it with two fingers here, and you're just going to pull that off. If the lights were just on, be cautious because it could be hot, so you might want to wear gloves, but if it's still cold like mine is, you can just pull those right out. Here's before with stock bulbs. And here's the difference between just a stock bulb and the C-Light brand T10 bulb that I got, which is a 6000K white bulb. For more information on it, I'll just kind of put it here. This is what I got. It was just off of Amazon, if you're looking at getting the same set as well. But yeah, let's put this bulb back in. And there's the LED bulb after. And I'll get some night shots as well too to give you an idea. So both are replaced, and the covers are back on, and that's all there is for the install. And here are the new LED lights. Definitely look a lot brighter, and hope this video helped if you're looking at doing the same.